From the very beginning of his career, our story was being written by our founder, Walter Vallette. The theme was simple: to relentlessly pursue delivering the best water heating solutions. It was with this dauntless spirit that Walter founded his company. Unwavering on this commitment, he quickly became an industry leader. By the time the company became Lochinvar, the spirit to deliver only the best was ingrained in the culture. And when America was facing an energy crisis, the industry looked to Lochinvar and William Vallette to continue what his father had started. This time, Lochinvar redefined what it meant to be the best by creating the most energy-efficient boiler the commercial industry had ever seen. But they still weren't satisfied. As competitors played catch-up, Lochinvar was on to the next challenge, finding ways to be best in class across the board, establishing the most advanced R&D department, and earning a reputation for manufacturing excellence, delivering the best service after the sale, and providing customers the education and classrooms they need to become the experts in their field from our state-of-the-art world headquarters. All this from a story that began more than 100 years ago. But our story is far from being written. Delivering the best is still in our DNA. As a part of the global leader A.O. Smith family of brands, we are thinking beyond what we are doing today and toward a sustainable future. We will continue to lead the charge by setting the standard in the areas of products, service, and education. Because when it comes to our industry, no one brings it all together like Lochinvar.